Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Mini 3D Printers Review. Number 4. Fast shipping. The product will be shipped within 48 hours after payment. Support drop shipping, wholesale. PLS contact us to get the best price. Global local warehouse, shipping from Russia, Spain, USA, France, Poland, Brazil, Australia, Ukraine, New Zealand, Malaysia, China. After sales service. Professional after sales service personnel respond quickly. Number 3. EasyThreed K7 3D Mini Printer 100 by 100 by 100 mm No heated bed 1 key printing with TF card PLA filament simple printing machine. EasyThreed K7 Toy Mini 3D Printer for household education students 100,100,000 100 mm printing size support 1 key printing with 1.75 mm 0.4 mm nozzle CE certificate. Descriptions. EasyThreed K7 3D Printer is a consumer grade 3D printer. It comes with its own slicing software, EasyWare K7, which was specifically made and has a unique auto-slice function. Number 2. Specifications: slice thickness 0.1 to 0.4 mm, printing speed 60 mm per second, power supply 110 220 V5A, auto leveling. Yes. Language: English. Maximum printing speed 180 mm per second. Maximum working speed 180 mm per second. Consumables diameter 1.75 mm. Slice software: Cura. Number 1. Features: very light, carry and go. Very quiet. Certificate: CE FCC, ROSE, 1 key printing. Press the print button gently after TF card is inserted. Prints automatically after warm-up. Super easy to install, simple operation and convenient. With detachable magnetic platform, experience new fun, suitable for household education use or DIY amateurs, and also suitable for students, kids. EasyThreed X1 printer is for children and families, so I print PLA SAFE filament only. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.